Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Justine and today I'll be making my favorite carrot cake. It's a recipe I learned in Buenos Aires. It's super easy. You don't need any baking tools, so with pretty much whatever you have in your kitchen will be fine. So let me show you.
So for this recipe you will need a pudding mold, 2 eggs, carrots, corn oil, baking soda, cinnamon, baking powder, salt, flour, regular sugar and brown sugar and milk. First peel all the carrots. Then grate the carrots. In a bowl, add the carrots and the sugars. Then mix it a little bit. Then you can add the eggs, the baking powder, the baking soda, cinnamon, salt, the oil and the flour. You can also use canola oil. The oil is very important in this recipe because it adds the moisture of it, so you can't skip it. Then add the vanilla extract. You can add also some nuts if you like. Butter the mold and flour it. You put in the oven at 160 degrees for 50 minutes. You can also use cupcake molds, and then for cupcake molds it's 20 minutes. So you can add some frosting, you can add some powdered sugar, and as I said before, also nuts. So here it is.